Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Powered by LEVI'S.
That's right.
Great picture.
Great picture.
All right, ready. All right, let me turn this on.
Oh, I thought it was on. I was looking at the camera.
Oh, you know. Okay, and
Ready.
Stop these keys from ringing, because I can't clear that sample either. And from the top, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this episode of Dropping Off Jackets, that is Will. This is Kahlil. Episode 16. 16 episodes, Will. Are we on a roll or what, baby?
We on the road doing a thing, and I'm loving this atmosphere that I'm in right now with this high-end photographer costing, I'm doing to for like $15,000 photo shoot.
Why
I'm
not?
doing it right now.
Why not?
And we in her beautiful studio in a secret location in the Atlanta, Georgia, Hateville area.
That's right, that's right. So, like we do about this time, every episode of Dropping Off Jackets, we come to you with a jacket that we drop off from an unsuspecting friend, family member, person that we love, a well-deserving component in our life.
Been on job shoots, video shoots, portrait shoots, ads, high-end, elite, Wilhelmina, Elite, Vogue magazine, New York, California, worldwide, we work together. We still doing it. We haven't stopped. Levi's sponsor us.
We never stop.
And I can't wait for y'all to know this young lady. I can't wait for her to tell her story.
Right.
When I came in, she gave me a hug that I really needed. Cause you know what I'm saying, sometimes we be up and sometimes we be down, but when you get that good friend to hug, you can feel the love, and I want to say thank you for that.
You're welcome.
And we go way back.
Yes.
We go way back.
Over 20 years, baby.
So I want you to, today, I want you to, I call it pop your ish, tell them who you are, give me an IG, what you're working on, what have you worked on, how you got started, where you from, and let the world know who you are.
Boom.
Sing it, sing.
Sing it.
Sing it. Sing it.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I am so surprised. My name is Donna Permell. My company is Prime Focus, and Focus is with a PHOCUS. And I work with different people, celebrities. Today we're in the studio taking some photos of a creator makeup artist with her style with Chris Brown. My IG is primefocus.com. That's PRIME, and Focus is PHOCUS. Give me a call. So I started off doing art, painting and drawing, and then I picked up the camera when I was about 15, did my first wedding at 19, moved to Atlanta, Georgia, started shooting with different celebrities, their events, their weddings, their fraternities, shot for different magazines, Essence, Jet, you name a few, Glamour, shot for Janelle Monáe, Ludacris, all those kind of people, ushers, just a lot of different celebrities, Big Boy, and just keep going and going and going. Jane Fonda, Ted Turner, just a whole bunch of people. So give me a call.
Nice.
Yes, give her a call. And on this special occasion, I'm gonna let Kahlil start it off.
Hey.
Run a little chops right quick.
Like
Then
you-
break it down.
Like we do about this time, we always surround ourselves with loved ones, with family, with friends, and those influential people in and around the world that you need to know. You might not know them, you might have seen their work. Either way, me and Will,
We dropping off jacket.
today, baby, that's what we came to do. So on this episode of Dropping Off Jacket, tell them, Will.
So she don't know.
They
but
never
now
know.
she When I came in, she was like, "What y'all doing here? Why y'all here? What's up? Y'all men. Y'all sneaky." I said, "No, I can't come see you." But you're right.
You're up to something.
We're
That's what I said.
Yeah. So today, I'm bringing you your own personalized jacket.
Oh wow!
Levi's.
What?
Yeah.
What?
So this is yours.
It's mine!
And
Oh my
look
god!
at the name.
My name is on it! Donna!
Yeah.
That's me! Hit
Hey.
me up on IG.
Prime Focus, baby. If you need her,
Now I want you to look
Oh,
at it.
this is beautiful!
It's not like no
Oh my
button-up
God.
jacket. See the pocket,
Wow!
zip up, the thick.
This is nice!
we give away your flowers, baby.
Yes.
Flowers is what we give. We'll get that.
See when you have good quality. Hold on.
What? Wow! Thank you guys so much! This is such a great surprise!
Donna. Oh, Donna.
Yeah.
Look at that! Look at that!
As
Donna.
always,
My favorite.
Will, what is it?
Dropping off jacket.
Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Always a perfect fit.
Wow, this is crazy!
Yes,
This
we
is
know that.
awesome!
Shout out to Levi's, powered by Levi's, and it's always a perfect fit, as you can see.
Perfect
On
fit!
the wrist, baby, she can lift her wrist up, and it's fitting. Baby, let me tell you something. Watch and learn. And learn. Will, take us out of here.
Yo! As we leave, we got Donna. She's surprised. So I know we
Very
get a couple
surprised.
phone calls tonight while she go out, style
Wow.
profiling, dripping at her next award show, next photo shoot that she's doing right now.
Look at
Hey, we out. Episode
16, baby, we love you. Powered by Levi's, powered by Levi's, powered by Levi's. Donna Permell, let me tell you something. Prime Focus, if you need her, holler, baby. Don't be shy. Don't hesitate. Don't resist. Call her.
And remember, you pay for what you get.
You get what you
This
pay
is quality.
for. Quality.
Feels good,
Pop your
looks
collar,
good.
Will. Pop it.
Pop the collar.
Pop it up, Donna. Hit your damn head.
Thank you, Levi!
Thank you, guys. We love you guys. Till next time, episode 17 and beyond. Kahlil Gibran, Will Gilbert. We out.
Will, we out.
Remember, surprise and beautiful, quality fit.
Nice.
Get yours today.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation